Can you see this here? I damaged the speaker cover on one of my overnight trips. I had my luggage bag here and it rubbed and it kind of put a increase in this felt thing. Hopefully when I take this cover off, it didn't do anything to the speaker. But I want to try to fix this. I'm going to go on Amazon and see if I can find anything of replacement covers for this. Hopefully something metal or something because, I'd like to set my bag here when I go on overnight trips. So hopefully I can find something that, will repair this.
All right, to replace that bad speaker grill on my 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide Limited, I went on Amazon, did a search, looking for grills, replacement grills, all right? I came across this company called Hogtunes on there, and I ordered a pair of metal mesh grills. Supposedly this fits 2014 plus Ultra models, and I put in my Road Glide, my criteria for my Road Glide, the year and whatever, and they say this fits. Hope it does. So this is metal mesh instead of that felt mesh that comes with the bike. I don't know why, you throw a bag on there and it messes it up. So anyway, let me turn the camera around, we'll open this up and see what these look like. And then we'll go and install them on the bike. All right, Hogtunes. We'll just open this up here. I can already tell they look way nicer than the stock. All right. Metal. All right. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Hogtunes right here. But this is all metal instead of that mesh. These will look great on the bike. Got two of them here, so. All right. Nothing to it. Just the 4 screw holes, and hopefully these line up with the stock holes. Okay. Doesn't look like it comes with any screws, so hopefully the existing screws work. It's here. There is does have some instructions here. So it does say remove the factory rear grills from undoing the 4 torque screws. Okay, so set the grill in place and using the factory screws. Okay, off to the bike to see if this works. We'll take off the old ones and put these on.
Okay, first thing is to open up the tour pack so we can get to the whole thing here. There's only 4 torque screws, and I think they're T10s. So we'll just take out the screws. Yep, 4 T10s, that's all. Oh, I got to show you this. I don't know if you can see this, but let's see here. Okay, see that right there? It did come through. It cracked it. This is like just cheap plastic. It's just plastic. You got felt on the outside here, and it split right there where the bag hit. So look at that. Yeah. So let me grab the other cover that I got from Hogtunes, and let's see if they fit. And of course, you got to use your existing screws. So, okay, so far so good. The holes line up. Yep. Just put all the screws in and just snug them down lightly. They don't have to be too tight because you don't want to strip it out. There we go. What do you think? Look way better, right? Metal. Not going to do anything. All right, I'm going to take the other side off and replace it, and I'll be right back. Yeah, what do you think? Hogtunes. You see it? Looks good. Hogtunes. All right, there we are. I replaced my rear passenger seat speaker covers with Hogtune speaker covers that I found on Amazon. Decent price. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. But I can't believe Harley Davidson wants to protect their rear speakers with cheap, thin plastic and felt. I had a dry bag on the back of my seat and it punctured that speaker cover. Come on. So I replaced them with Hogtunes. You got to use your 4 original screws and they fit perfect. Same exact. Okay? Wire mesh, metal mesh. So now this should put up with my abuse of traveling and throwing my bags on there. But, so you know what to do. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Smash that like. And leave a comment. What do you think? Simple, easy. Like I said, link in the description below if you want to protect your rear speakers from a sudden mishap puncture. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.